Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a tulip. Let's start off by drawing a leaf shape like this for the first petal. Then, draw the second petal to the right with a rounded top. Add two short curves on top like so for the other petals behind. For the stem, add a long straight line out from the base of the petals. Tulip leaves are different in that they're much longer and go all the way to the bottom of the stem. So, draw a long, slightly wavy line going up to a point and back down but not touching the bottom of the stem. At the base of the petals, draw another straight line going down that stops at the leaf. Then, we can add another smaller leaf on the opposite side like so. And now you've got a tulip.